Wholistic Minds is an AI platform that will make holistic healthcare accessible to all. It does this by empowering providers. It allows providers to gain mastery-level understanding of complex holistic practices without the years of costly training, thus allowing more providers to provide better care. It dramatically improves the efficiency of the provider by doing away with all the tedious tasks that currently limit their ability to take care of more patients at a lower cost point. The system also dramatically improves outcomes by guiding the recommendations that providers give to their patients based on an expansive growing data set that is currently checking to see what is working or not for given patients. The system asks all the questions that a provider would ever want to know. And it's not just, how is the child's bowel movements? It's, has the child ever gone camping? Have they ever been exposed to a natural body of water where they may have picked up a parasite? Were they exposed to Zofran? Were they exposed to antacid medications, which could have changed their digestive functioning? It even gets into how a child processes information from the world around them, all critical data that providers need to know to understand how to help these children. The future iteration of the system will also allow complex laboratory data such as microbiome data or organic acid data to be uploaded into the system. And all of this information is fed into the algorithm that starts deciphering the patterns within the information to guide the provider as to where the key areas that they need to focus on are. Once the system has identified the patterns, it will start making recommendations based on its massive data set on what is working or not. This includes supplements. Providers have full autonomy in terms of what they ultimately choose to accept or reject, and with a few clicks, these recommendations could be sent to the patient. The same goes for treatments, which can include sound therapy, vision therapy, occupational therapy, chiropractic care. With a few clicks, those recommendations could be sent to the patient. Providers can also choose to add testing, or sometimes the system will recommend testing, which again could be sent to the patient with just a few clicks. Patients will get the recommendations on their mobile app. They will have the ability to purchase these supplements with 1 or 2 clicks from their vendor of choice. They will also then be able to communicate to the provider when the supplements have been treated. The same goes for the recommendations such as sound therapy or vision therapy. Patients will also be able to execute testing with 1 or 2 clicks and send those results back to the provider. The symptom tracker allows the provider to see in real time how the child is doing. And with just a few clicks, patients can upload that information to the provider to get real-time feedback in how the treatment is working. Patients can also communicate with their doctors in real time to share what is happening or not. Patients will also have a log that allows them to start taking detailed notes of where things are and what has helped and what has not. The power of Wholistic Minds is to bring all of this information together to allow the patients and providers to get the best outcomes possible.